These are the Shimano AM500 Kids SPD shoes. I've been testing these all winter and they've worked amazingly. I'm really impressed with their lace-up single strap system because it's really simple and easy to use. They've got good toe movement for if we want to grow into them, and they've got plenty of grip for if you're doing a hiker bike. They've got lots of adjustment area for your cleat, and the one little negative would be the fact that they soak up a little too much water than I would like, but they look amazing in this camo colour, and they're available at all good Shimano stockists for around $84.99. Keep it pinned.